In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free trial of TradingView. If you've been wanting to test TradingView's premium features without paying upfront, this walkthrough will make the process simple and stress-free. The free trial lasts 30 days and gives you full access to premium tools, including more indicators per chart, faster data, and advanced layouts. Here is no initial charge to start the trial, and you can cancel any time before it ends to avoid being billed. First, head to the TradingView homepage. On the landing page, click Get Started or Sign Up. This takes you to the account creation flow where you'll register with your details. It's quick, and you'll use this login to manage your trial, and, if you decide to continue, your subscription later on. Next, pick the plan you want to test. You'll see options like Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium. Click Try Free for 30 days under the plan that best matches the features you want to explore. Take a moment to compare the benefits and note the renewal price shown for each plan. This is the amount you'll be charged after the trial if you keep the subscription active. Now complete the registration and enter your payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal. The initial charge is $0 for the trial period, so you shouldn't see a payment go through when you start. This step is required so the subscription can continue seamlessly if you choose to keep it after the trial. Once submitted, your premium access is activated immediately. To avoid being charged, make sure you cancel before the 30th day. You can cancel any time in your account settings. If you signed up on the TradingView website, cancel directly on the website in your subscription settings. If you started the trial through the mobile app, you'll need to cancel through the App Store or Google Play, since mobile subscriptions are managed by those platforms. After canceling, you'll typically keep premium access until the end of the trial period, and the plan will not renew. A few tips to make the most of your month: set a reminder a few days before the trial ends so you have time to decide. Explore the premium tools you care about most. Try more indicators on a single chart. Experiment with layout options and test faster data. When you cancel, double-check that your status shows a scheduled end date for the trial. You can always resume or change plans later if you find a feature set that fits your needs. That's it. You are ready to start your TradingView free trial with confidence. Enjoy exploring and make an informed decision before the 30 days are up.